So given problem 1.13, when the inflation rate is expected to be 8% per year, what is the market interest rate likely to be? So the given to this problem is that inflation rate is equal to 8% per year. So in order to solve this problem, we need to know that the market interest is 3 to 4% above the inflation rate. So in order to get the market rate, we just add up the market interest to the inflation rate. So 3% plus 8% is 11%. Then the, the maximum market rate is equal to 4% plus 8%, which is equal to 12%. So the answer to this problem is that the market interest rate, the range of the market interest rate is 11% to 12%. Thank you.
For problem 1.22, for a company that uses a year as its interest period, determine the net cash flow that will be recorded at the end of the year from the cash flows shown. So in this table, we can see that in 1 year, or for certain months, there will be receipts and disbursements. Disbursement is an act of paying money, especially from a fund. So how can we solve for the net cash flow? So we can subtract the receipts and the disbursements. So here's the solution. So we can see that for the month of January, the receipts, or $500 in value, will be subtracted by $300 to get the net. So repeating this process for the rest of the months, we will arrive at a total of $2,920 multiplied by 1,000, since we have a $1,000 multiplier here. So the net total cash flow will be $2,920,000.
Hi, my name is Patrick, and I'm about to show you how to solve a simple and compound interest problem. So in this problem, a solid waste disposal company borrowed money at 10% per year interest to purchase new haulers and other equipment needed at the company-owned landfill site. If the company got the loan 2 years ago and paid it off with a single payment of $4,600,000, what was the principal amount of the loan? So by analyzing the problem, we know that we were given the following: the interest rate of 10%, the end of year amount of $4,600,000, a period of 2 years, and we know that we were required to find the principal amount of the loan. To solve the problem, we just have to know the formula for the compound interest, which is A is equals to P times 1 plus the interest rate over 100, and raise it by its period. Plugging in the values that we were given, we get $4,600,000 is equals to P times 1 plus 10 over 100 squared. Since P is the unknown variable, we put it on the left-hand side of the equation, and we get $4,600,000 divided by 1.21, which was taken from 1 plus 10 over 100 squared. And by dividing $4,600,000, we get the principal amount, which is $801,652.89. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. See you.
For problem 1.54, The time it will take for a given sum of money to double at 4% per year simple interest is closest to. Choices are A, 30 years, B, 25 years, C, 20 years, and D, 10 years. So next, the solution for the problem. Here we have the equation or the formula for simple interest. I is equal to P times I times N, where I stands for the interest, P stands for the principal or present worth, small letter I stands for the rate of interest, and N stands for the number of interest periods. Next equation, F is equal to P plus I, where F stands for the accumulated amount or the future worth. So in the problem, it is stated that the future worth is 2 times the present worth or double. So what I've done is I've replaced F with 2P. So now F is equal to 2P. So now this is the equation. 2P is equal to P plus P times N times 0.04. Then transposing the P to the left side of the equation, 2P minus P is equal to P times N times 0.04. So performing subtraction, now we have P is equal to P times N times 0.04. So cancelling P from both sides of the equation, now we have 1 is equal to N times 0.04. Then dividing 1 by 0.04, now we have N is equal to 25. So in the problem, in the choices, 25 years is B. So the answer is letter B.